Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving into how to manage workspaces on Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. First off, you need to log into your Monday.com account. This is essentially where you'll be managing your workspaces from. It's the command center of your entire operation. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a new workspace. You can do this by clicking on the Add New button at the top of your screen. The reason we do this is to create an independent space where you can manage a particular project or a specific department, keeping everything organized and separated. Next up, let's name the workspace. You'll want to ensure it's something clear and descriptive so everyone can easily understand what it's for. This helps us because it avoids confusion and makes navigation much easier for you and your team. Now, once you've named your workspace, you can start adding items to it. Click on the Add Item button and start typing. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each item you add represents a task or a project within that workspace. This is crucial because it helps you keep track of what needs to be done and who is responsible for it. Let me explain why this matters. Managing workspaces effectively allows you to streamline your workflow, keep your team on the same page, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. We're nearing the end of our tutorial, but before we wrap up, remember that you can also customize your workspace. Adjust the settings to fit your needs, add or remove team members, and even choose a color theme that suits your style. This is the final touch that makes your workspace truly your own. And there you have it. You're now equipped to manage workspaces on Monday.com like a pro. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep your workflow smooth and your workspaces clean. Goodbye.